The Harvey Jordan Award is the closest thing the College of Engineering has to a valedictorian. Harvey Jordan served for many years as a professor of general engineering and as an associate dean in the College of Engineering. This annual award recognizes the scholastic achievement and character of an outstanding senior. What that doesn't say is that for us to take a look at you for the Harvey Jordan Award, you have to have a 4.0 grade point average. And from them, for those, we pick one person among many of outstanding character and achievement. That person is Luke Zaczek. Luke is accompanied by his parents, Denise and Jim, his grandparents, Glenn and Nancy Jarrett, and his girlfriend, Riley Knopf. Luke, come forward. This is a good moment to applaud. Our custom is that the Harvey Jordan Award winner makes an address to this group, but before we get to that, let me tell you a little bit about Luke. Luke is a major in mechanical engineering, and he admits to having many hobbies, but new ones seem to pop up all the time. He served on the Dune Student Advisory Committee and on a group called Engineering Initiatives. He's been involved in the Jerry Sanders Design Competition, the Alumni Classical Guitar Club, you name it. He has studied abroad in Spain, and he developed a passion for cultures and other languages, so much so that he now volunteers at the university's Intensive English Institute, helping international students improve their communication skills. He's also a James Scholar. I don't know that it would be necessarily the thing you'd expect of a student with a 4.0 GPA, but Luke is known around Engineering Hall as the popcorn guy. One of the groups he worked with decided, I think, that the college advising office in 206 Engineering Hall felt a little too much like the principal's office. It was a little too stressed, and students who were waiting there to see a dean could, with benefit by sort of easing up a little bit and relaxing a bit. So on many Friday afternoons, you'll find Luke running the popcorn machine and handing out free bags of popcorn, or even running them upstairs to keep the advancement staff happy, whatever seems to work. Luke has done internships at ConocoPhillips. He plans to pursue a master's degree after graduation. And while your program says that he's thinking about material failure or combustion, I have other documents that say he's thinking about human-machine interaction or human factors. So I think the part that says new interests pop up all the time is exactly right. I think you're going to be really interested to hear Luke. Congratulations. First. You're up. Thanks a lot.
So to start off with, I guess at the time that I provided all the information to the college about this, I was still unsure about where I was going for grad school, but I have decided to do a PhD at Stanford, so just wanted to provide a little update on that to the college. So I guess in just 4 short years here, I've learned many different things, and my classes have focused on topics ranging from quantum physics to materials failure, thermal sciences, and even world religions. I have had projects that have helped me focus on recognizing problems, working as part of a team, and coming up with creative solutions. Studying abroad for a semester, I got to see the breadth and the beauty of the world's diverse cultures, and yet the most important thing I think that I've learned in my time at the University of Illinois is something that I thought I had figured out a long time ago, and that's actually what it is to be an engineer. Many people will tell you that an engineer is someone who invents new products, comes up with new technologies, maybe someone who comes up with new mathematical equations, or uncovers the laws of nature. Other people will say that an engineer is someone who builds an airplane or designs a bridge. And while these are all things that an engineer does, I think what an engineer is something completely different. In my time here, I've found that what really defines people as engineers is our belief, and that's a belief that we're trained to help people, and that's really the point of everything we do. The problems we solve, the technologies we invent, and the research we perform is all aimed at serving the public and improving the world around us. And I think that that's a really important thing. The university has a really long history in its students and its faculty of this innovation, this sense of transforming the world. John Bardeen was the first person to ever win 2 Nobel Prizes in the same field. The first was for the invention of the transistor, which is ubiquitous in all modern electronics. It's transformed the way we see and use technology. The second was for coming up with the theories of superconductivity. Along with that, our alumni have designed the John Hancock Center in the Willis Tower and founded the Susan G. Komen Center for Breast Cancer. So we have a really great history of moving passions forward. Currently, there's research being done at the university that promises to make great improvements in medical devices and treatments, to supply water to the developing countries of the world, and to produce clean, sustainable, and environmentally friendly energy sources for the world. So, as students from the University of Illinois, it is now our responsibility to continue this great tradition. We've got an excellent education, and we've had amazing opportunities at the university. So each of us now has the chance to go forward and achieve amazing things. But we have to remember that what defines us as engineers is our ability to help people, and that's what our greatest strength is. So that being said, if we hold true to our ideals and we focus our energies on improving the world around us and serving the public good, then we have the power to transform the world as we know it. Thank you.